That's a old post. I went to an exhibition come sale. I am invited here, so let's go inside. Singhi Palace. Let me check. Hi, I am Madhurima Basu from Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So I am invited in this exhibition, first woman exhibition, that is in Singhi Palace, just beside of Gariahat Pantaloons. The date will be 7 to 9th October 2025 and timing 11 to 8 p.m. and you have to register through e-pass and you will get e-pass. So as I was invited, so I got the e-pass and I'm just roaming around. So you will get so many things over here: fashion, jewelry, candles, everything. This is a book.
हेलो वो वाला ब्लू वाला दिखा
Oh, so pretty.
If you like lavender smell, you can go for it. You can have a smell.
Wait a second. Oil chura. Sorry. Basically, if you're into jewelry and Diwali dresses, this is the right place for you. You can always come over here. Hi. She has beautiful collection of soaps and candle. I met her actually just 2 months back in an event. So again I meet her. The short video was uploaded previously, but this is the long one. I did not get time to upload the longer one, so it's a late post. But thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more updates.